Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Living Flavors with Sunitha. So it's been so many days since I uploaded a video in this channel. Today I'm here with a delicious and a healthy recipe, peanut chutney. It's a very simple recipe. Even beginners can definitely try this recipe. Come on, let's get started. First, to a kadai, I'm going to add 1 cup of peanuts. I'm going to roast this on medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes until they get roasted. This is roasted perfectly. I'm going to transfer it to a plate. Now to the same kadai, I am going to add 1 teaspoon of oil. To this I am going to add 4 red chilies, 1 tablespoon of chana dal and roast it for 10 seconds. To this I am going to add 3 cloves of garlic which I have sliced and 5 to 6 small onions. Roast it on medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Now this is ready. I am going to transfer it to the same plate. Let this cool down and then we'll grind it into a smooth paste. Adding salt as required before grinding, and then I am going to grind this into a smooth paste. You can add water while grinding. Now this is ready. I am going to transfer it to a bowl. You can adjust the consistency according to your preference. You can serve this as it is, or you can also temper this with some mustard seeds, cumin seeds and curry leaves. To a small pan, I added around 1 teaspoon of oil. To this I am going to add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Adding half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and few fresh curry leaves. And now let's add this to the chutney and mix it well. And that's it, a simple and healthy peanut chutney is now ready. You can serve this with hot piping idlis or some crispy dosas. So the recipe was so simple, right? Definitely give this a try. Peanuts are very good for our health and it is rich in proteins, and definitely kids will enjoy eating this. You can serve this with dosas, idlis or even with chapatis. Do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out for you guys in the comment section below. If you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up and support me. It really means a lot to me. See you guys next time with another interesting recipe. Until then, take care. Bye.